Days on the market are down, contracts are up, sold prices are up. It's Friday, October 21st, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. Buyers appear to be out looking for homes while the mortgage interest rates are below the next expected rate hike. Indications are that the mortgage interest rate will reach 9% by the end of this year. Cecil and Wicomico counties remain in high demand for buyers seeking homes. Dorchester and Queen Annes counties continue at moderate. Worcester and Caroline are holding steady. Somerset and Talbot are still slow. Kent County remains limited. Inventory rose just very slightly to 1,294 homes for sale on the Maryland shore. Let's look at the inventory movement this past week. 73 properties are coming soon. 159 came to the market since last week's report, fewer than last week. 98 properties are temporarily off the market, continuing at steady. 82 went under contract, a 70% rise from last week. 84 properties went to pending, a 13.5% increase week over week. 138 properties sold at 100% list to sold ratio and in 12 days. The highest sale this past week was in St. Michael's for $3,295,000. Rental inventory went up again this week to 79 homes for lease, remaining steady at $1,800 per month. These have been on the market for 20 median days. Are you thinking about moving? You should feel confident about buying or selling a home, and my job as the expert is to provide you with the facts, data, and information and bring context to it for you. Call me and let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for October 21st, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, be kind.